Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Background Eraser tool lets you erase pixels on a layer to transparency as you drag. This allows you to erase the background while maintaining the edges of an object in the foreground. You use the settings of this tool to adjust the range of transparency and the sharpness of the boundaries. This tool will sample the color in the center of the brush or the hotspot, and then erase that color wherever else it may appear within the brush. It also performs color extraction at the edges of any foreground objects so that color halos aren't visible if the foreground object is later pasted into another image. It is important to note that this tool will override the lock transparency settings of a layer. To use this tool, first use the Layers panel to select which layer contains the background you wish to erase. Then select the Background Eraser tool from the toolbox and, if necessary, within the Tool Options bar. You can use the Brush Settings button in the Tool Options bar to set your brush tip options as needed. In the Tool Options bar, you can also set the Limits option to the preferred setting. Discontiguous, which erases the sampled color anywhere it appears within the brush, or Contiguous, which erases areas that contain the sampled color and are connected. For the Tolerance setting, in the Tool Options bar, set a lower number to limit the erased color to only pixels similar to the selected ones, or a higher number to erase a broader range of similar colors. After you have the settings for this tool set as needed, then click and drag in the image or layer to remove the background pixels. Note that the hotspot in the brush appears as a small crosshair.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.